everyone. So I've got an exciting unboxing to show you all, and this time it is from Lookiero. So Lookiero have kindly sent me this box, but I want to share more about the whole experience with you all, because Lookiero is such a fantastic service. So basically how Lookiero works is that you go onto the lookiero.co.uk website, and then you'll fill in a survey, like a style survey. On there you'll tell them more about yourself, your likes, your dislikes, style wise, your size, and that sort of thing. You can even leave in your pictures or your Instagram account or Facebook account, so that they can have an idea of the kind of clothes that you love wearing, or like your kind of style. And then you'll be assigned a personal shopper who will then send you 5 hand-picked pieces for you to try on at home, and to be shipped straight to your door. So when you receive your Lookiero box, it usually arrives in this cardboard box, and yeah, you will try on your 5 pieces and then see which ones you love and which ones you want to return. If you want to keep all 5 pieces that you've been sent, you will receive a 25% discount for your entire purchase. But if you want to keep one piece, then you will get £10 off, because the personal shopper fee is £10. But if you want to keep one piece, for instance, if the outfit you pick is £30, then you'll get £10 off, and then that means you're going to pay £20. So it's really fantastic. And if there are any pieces that you want to return, there's a prepaid envelope where you can return all the pieces for free. And yeah, it's such a fantastic service. You do not have to subscribe to the service at all. You can just pop in whenever you want to, treat yourself to a personal shopper, and have the personal shopper do all of the work for you. So yeah, I'm super excited about this box, and I'm just going to share what is in here. So I'm going to unbox it right now for you guys to see everything in here, and I'm going to try on the pieces, so you guys will tell me which one you love and which one I should return. So yeah, let's look at it. So when you open the box, this is what you will see. So in this envelope, you're going to see this. Oh, how cute is this, guys? How cute is this? So it says for Ezinma, and that is such a pretty font. I absolutely love this font right here. So yeah, you'll see like a style guide from my personal shopper, and she has given me a few styles to go with the pieces that she has selected. And this is really nice for you to have an idea of how to style your looks. In here I've got this bag. So this is how it has been nicely wrapped, with the Lookiero wrapping and sticker as well. So I've got 3 of these. So this is the second one, and this is the third one. If for any reason you want to return anything, they'll leave in a prepaid return bag, so you can put all your unwanted items in here and return it back to them at Lookiero. So I'm going to unbox everything in here right now and show you all what is in this box. I feel like all of the items that Grace sent to me, Grace, my personal shopper, sent to me, are pretty much the sort of items that I would pick up. So yeah, I'm really happy with all of the items, and I would love to know what you guys think about any of the items. Do you think I should keep anyone, or do you think I should return anyone? And I just wanted to show you how the website looks, and this is all you will see on the website. So yeah, you can discover your style on the website. You'll see how it works. All you need to do is just, you know, take the style survey, filling all of your details, your size, the things that you love wearing and what you dislike, and then your personal shopper will send your items straight to your house for you to decide which ones you want to keep or return. You've got 5 days to decide what you want to return, and then if you love your pieces, you have 25% off your entire purchase if you decide to keep all 5 of the items. But if you want to return anyone, you'll have £10 off. It's free returns, and you also have a prepaid returns bag inside your box. But if you want to keep any of the items, you have £10 off your service fee. Your personal shopper will search over 150 European brands in sizes 6 to 20 to find the one that's uniquely for you. And in every box, you get 5 surprise pieces for you to decide which ones you want to keep or which ones you want to return. And you can always set your price range so that it will fit your budget. On here, you can select the sort of style that suits you best. If I was going to pick a style, I would pick this one. Although I pretty much can see myself wearing all these items. Yeah, it's such a fantastic website for you to, you know, explore. If you would love to try it out, do swipe up. I've left the link down below for you to give it a go and see what, you know, your personal shopper has for you.